Hi, today we're checking out these rubber boots. It is specifically the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner MX Granite. Crafted entirely from rubber foam, these foam runners offer exceptional comfort and lightweight wear. As for sizing, I recommend going up a size for optimal comfort. This silhouette came in various colorways, and this one might be among the last available. With Adidas ending its collaboration with Kanye West, this could simply be leftover stock. The exciting news is that this colorway is sitting on the Adidas Confirmed app now. So, if you've had your eye on these, this might be your last chance to grab them for retail price. What do you think about this Yeezy restock? Are you planning to cop a pair? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.